Hello and welcome to the WakeupData Knowledge Base. In this video, you will learn about caching large channel feeds and how to rebuild the cache file after making changes to your channel. When a channel has more than 10,000 SKUs, caching will automatically be enabled. This means a static file of your feed will be available for quicker download. It also means that any changes you make to that feed, field mappings, adding new fields, deleting fields, changing delimiters in a CSV feed, etc., will not immediately take effect. You can either wait for the next scheduled run or manually rebuild the cache feed to make the changes take effect. To see if your channel is being cached, go to your channel overview and check the caching box. From the caching box on your channel overview, click Details. If needed, activate caching. When you have made changes to your feed and want those changes to take effect immediately, click the Rebuild button. Rebuilding the cache file can take a few minutes, depending on your feed size, so be patient and refresh the page a few times. When the rebuild is done, you will see how long the build took and when the cache file was last generated. If you have any questions about product feed caching or other parts of the WakeupData platform, feel free to reach out to our support team.